Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about procedure text. Okay, what is the procedure text? Procedure text is text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals. For example, how to use the computer, how to make the fried chicken, and how to iron the clothes. Okay, then generic structure of procedural text. In the procedural text has a structure. The first structure is goals. In the goals contains information about the destination in the making or operation of something. Okay, then the second structure is material. Okay, the procedure text has two types. The first is procedure text that has a material in it. And the last one is procedure text that does not use the material. There are three types of procedural text that does not use the material. That are, first is procedural text that identifies how to perform the instruction manual. For example, how to use the video game, the computer, etc. Second is procedural text that instruct how to perform certain activity with unregulated. For example, road safety rules, video game rules, etc. And last is procedural text relating to human nature or habit. For example, how to live happily and how to success. Okay, then the last structure is steps. On the steps contains about steps or sequences that must be done so that the goals outlined in the goal can be achieved. Steps or sequences of the sequence must be the first to the last. Okay, and then we will talk about the characteristic linguistic of procedural text. There are some traits of language in the procedural text, among which are: first is use imperative sentences. For example, cut, do not mix, and so on. Number two is using action verbs such as turn, put, do not, mix, etc. Number three is using connective or conjunction to sort of activity. For example, then, while, etc. Number four is using adverbs to declare the detail, time, place, and accurate way. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. And the last is using the simple present. Okay, then this is an example of procedure text. DIY plastic bottle pot. We need supplies. There are plastic bottles, Sharpie, scissors, and spray paint. Instruction: first, draw a line on the bottle where the sticker is supposed to start with the Sharpie and cut around to make a small bend. Next, use the small bend from the previous cutting to the lower half of the bottle. And then cut strips all around the bottle vertically so you can tuck them into the bend. And the last is, when you are finished, spray paint the bottle with any color you prefer and add in your flowers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.